Hello everyone, today I'm going to do integration by parts. Firstly, for integration by parts, we need to know the fundamental of LIATE, which is logarithm, inverse trigo, algebra, trigo, and exponential. And there's another thing you have to remember also in solving integration questions, which is method 1, a UV method, which is integrate by dv equals to integrate u minus integrate dv. Method 2, DI method, which is there's differentiation and integration. Okay, and the arrows there, we'll further look at it in the next example. So right now you just have to focus on what to do when you face this kind of question. So there's method 1, which is UV, method 2, which is DI, and there's method 3, which is DD method. So if you remember all this method and LIATE, it will be actually much more simple to do a few questions. Okay, let's move on to example, which is x squared. Let's say we have an example of x squared exponential negative x dx. First, we have to actually identify what kind of LIT is this. So for x squared is algebra, which is a, e negative x, which is exponential, which is e, and so hence this AE we should use method 2 and DI method. Okay, for DI method, to solve the question, you have to put the x squared into d and the e negative x into I. Hence you differentiate x squared, you get 2x, integrate e negative x, you get negative e negative x, and differentiate 2x again, you get 2, and integrate e negative x, you get e negative x, and differentiate 2, you get 0, and you differentiate another time, you get negative e negative x. Hence you have to write down the sign on the side, which is plus minus plus, and after you doing that, you have to actually write an arrow down. So you have to take x squared times negative e negative x, 2x times e negative x, and 2 times negative e negative x. Then after that, you write down everything on the paper, which will bring us to negative x squared e negative x minus the sign here, bracket 2x e negative x plus negative 2e negative x. Okay, which will lead us to negative x squared e negative x minus 2x e negative x minus 2 to the power exponential to the power negative x. Okay, hence we actually got the answer already, but we can further factorize it by taking out the common factor, which is negative and e negative x. So identify all the common factor, and once you take out, it's simplified, and this will be the answer. So let's do another example, which is DD method. So for DD method, you have to identify firstly we have to look at sine x cosine 2x dx. Sine x is a trigo, cosine 2x is also a trigo. So for trigo, which is LIATE TT, you have to do method 2. Method 3, I'm so sorry. Method 3, DD method, So you have the same like the DI method, you have to draw the table out DD. So take sine x, put under the table, cosine 2x 2, and after that you differentiate sine x, you get cosine x. Differentiate cosine 2x, you get negative 2 sine 2x, and differentiate cosine x, you get negative sine x. Differentiate negative 2 sine 2x, you get negative 4 cosine 2x. And normally you just need to do until 3 equations. Differentiate 2 times, okay, and you get and you don't have to do it further again. So for the n equals, you have to actually take the number in front of sine x. So if it's a negative sine x, it means negative 1, and if it's a negative 4, means m equals to negative 4. So you have to do, so then after that you have to take sine x, cross multiple negative 2 sine 2x with cosine x, cross multiple cosine 2x. After that you have to add in the signs, which is plus and minus. So then you write it on the paper, so it will be negative 2 sine x times sine 2x, which is negative 2 sine x sine 2x. And after that we should take the following one, will be minus cosine x times cosine 2x, which give us negative cosine x cosine 2x plus c over negative 4 minus negative 1, which gives us this equation. After getting this equation, you can actually make it positive by changing the sign. By taking out sign, which means take out negative, it gives me 2 sine x 2x plus cosine x cosine 2x over 3 plus 3. So this is it. Here we are ending teaching you how to do DD and DI method. Hope you understand. Thank you.